Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Switch to direct.
Don't you know?
There is a new console with many new games on the way.
Nintendo.
They're ready to show to the fans that all know, brightening their day.
A leap of graphics awaits.
With the series you love, they're all pushing to shove. Brand new games are here, there's nothing to fear.
It's now the time to bring out the hype train.
As a brand new console is now here,
Come and watch a new presentation.
filled with stuff that will make you cheer.
Take your seats for the big show, or you can watch it online.
And if you're near or far, no matter where you are,
The Switch 2,
just for you.
the name rings true. Switch 2.
And pay attention, there's lots to showcase today.